How nice if you can double the plants with just one plant that you brought from the nursery. These are cosmos, seniors, which you can easily grow by seeds. This mini sunflower plant I brought only one. Now I have many plants out of them, and also I've grown them with seeds. They grow by seeds, so you can easily double the plants. This is the money plant. I have made many baby plants out of this. I have done the video also about the money plant propagation. Please check my channel for that. Money plants, money pothos. They are also very easy to propagate and double the plants. I have 2-3 varieties of this. And see this small plant also I recently added to this pot. So from the mother plant you can propagate them with a leaf, with the root, with the root. This is lucky bamboo plant. This also I have propagated from the main tree. See, now from this I have made another pot here, and they are all growing so well. So if you have one plant out of this, see that you propagate them in water, or these lucky bamboo plants are very useful too. So from cuttings you can easily grow lucky bamboo plants. Either you put them in water and propagate them, or directly you can put it in soil. This is the acidizing plant. So this of course you will have to propagate by cutting, and you can keep it in water for some time, about 1 week, so they will easily root after that. So this is the mother plant, and I have propagated about 3 plants out of it. These are the baby plants of acidizing plant. Very recently I have potted them. See, they are growing well. They are also propagated in water. So from the mother plant, now I have 3 plants out of this, as I have shown you in the video. So this is easily propagated acidizing plant. As you can see, it's rooting already. I bought only one plant, and now with that I have propagated 3 plants out of the mother plant. So this is the snake plant. I have already propagated it in water, and this is the mother plant of that. It is also growing, as you can see here. See a new leaf coming out. So these are very easy to double the growth of the plants. And this is the snake plant that is also propagated in water. I brought only one plant from the nursery. So now I will be, once this is rooted enough, I will be putting it in a pot. These are aloe vera plants. Aloe vera is also very easy to propagate. They always here from the mother root there are so many small plants coming out. So you can always double the growth of the aloe vera plant if given necessary needs for the plants. So this is the mother plant, and see I have another plant out of that in a separate pot. This is the jasmine plant I brought from the nursery. It's already flowering. Jasmines are easy to propagate by cuttings. This is the jasmine plant. This also I have propagated it in water, and it is also rooting now. So by propagating plants in water, you can easily double them. You will have to buy only one plant from the nursery, and after that try to double the plants that you have in your garden. This is the spider plant, one of the best indoor plants as they are recommended by NASA for air purification. See now this mother plant is giving so many baby plants out of it. You can easily put these in water. See that the top part is in water and let it root well, and after that you can put it in soil. This is another best plant to grow easily if you given the necessary needs like well draining soil. And also you can give milk as a food for this plant. Milk 50 portion, add 50% of water and give it to this plant, and that is a special food for this spider plant. This is the spider plant propagated in water. You can see how successful it is. See the roots. So I have kept it as an indoor plant. So that's it for today. I'll meet you with another video. Thank you and see you soon.